Well, clear skies continues to be the main weather condition all across the southeast, stretching from our west all the way into most of Georgia. Lots of sunshine for us on Labor Day. That's been the case for the weekend too. And we've still been seeing mostly dry conditions. Here's how we look on the radar. Only thing I'm noticing is a few of those showers developing just along where the sea breeze happens, but I'm not even expecting that to make its way towards us. We're still going to be staying on the quiet side as we go throughout the rest of our Monday evening. You can expect temperatures to be in about those upper 70s by 10 p.m. and then we'll have a clear night for us. We'll start Tuesday morning off with those temperatures in about the lower 70s, and as we go throughout our day tomorrow, you can expect pretty much another setup how we saw today. Lots of sunshine lasting into the afternoon. Those temperatures in those lower 90s throughout the day. There's a little brief window in the early afternoon that we could see a very weak shower happen, and I'm talking like maybe just 5 minutes of a shower. So very quick come and go, but mostly sunny conditions all throughout our day tomorrow. And you can expect another round of clear skies by Tuesday night. But when we play things out further into the week, I think we could finally start to see some rain showers make their way towards us as we go into Wednesday afternoon. We're going to see a little surge of moisture come off of the eastern coast. By Wednesday afternoon, we could see the setup for some spotty showers, and that's going to be the case for Thursday afternoon also. Notice how we start to see some of those gather around by later in the day on Thursday. And then the same setup by Friday morning. We'll have a sunny start to the day, but then the possibility of some of those spotty showers will begin to develop as we go later on into the week. Now, checking things out in the tropics, a lot of stuff still happening out there. We continue to stay quiet in the Gulf. But just off the east coast, we have an area that we are watching. 30% chance that this could develop into a weak system within the next 5 days. However, nothing that would be affecting us here in the Wiregrass. This would likely just deliver some rain showers to the folks to our northeast. But we do have two tropical storms out in the Atlantic now. Things are still staying pretty active out there. Our first one is Tropical Storm Paulette. We are continuing to watch this. It's going to continue to make its way into the central Atlantic, most likely by Saturday afternoon. And so once it makes its way further into those waters, we will continue to keep a close eye on it. It should encounter some steering currents that drive it further away from us. But the one system that we just had a confirmation that it's become upgraded to a tropical storm is Renee. But the good news is with this storm is since it's already becoming close to hurricane strength, usually the way physics works behind it is going to be in our favor. It'll make its way a little bit further into the Atlantic. When it makes its way towards hurricane strength, a lot of that rotation is going to drive it further into the Atlantic Ocean, keeping it away from us here in the U.S. So I'm not really expecting this to become a major threat for us here in the United States. But we are just a few days away from that peak day of hurricane and tropical storm activity, September 10th. It's usually around that time that we see a lot of activity out there. So do not let your guard down just yet. We still have quite a good bit of time left of hurricane season. But the good news is everything stays quiet. I would say for the next 5 days, you cannot worry about anything tropic with us. Here's how we look for the next 7 days here in the Wiregrass. Rain chances in the forecast for later in the week. I think Saturday could be our rainiest day. And some good news there, Taylor. It looks like we may finally start to see those temperatures come down just a little bit by the start of next week. So maybe get that pumpkin spice latte ready.
In the 80s. That's impressive. It's going to start feeling like fall pretty soon.
Bring it on.
All right, Matt. Thanks.